Hi there, thanks for stopping by to see this video. I'm going to be doing just a quick little blowout. It'll probably be just a 5-10 minute video. Got a quick little story to tell you though, because this painting is for a little girl that lives next door, who one day a couple of weeks ago, as I pulled up from work, she told me about our brown cat was outside. And I said, we don't have a brown cat. And she said, but it's on your porch all the time and it wants in. And I said, we have a couple of cats, yes, but we do not have a brown one. That brown one does not belong to us. And for some reason, he's decided to hang out at our place. Now, for those that are watching that know my fiance, Greg, he loves his cats. We have a couple of cats. And I thought, oh my goodness, has he been feeding this cat? Is that why we have a brown cat hanging around? I wonder. So I said to the little girl, I believe her name is Jazz, I'm not really sure what her name is, but I said to her, if you see my husband feeding that brown cat, will you please let me know? So for the last couple of times that I've pulled in the driveway, this little girl has come out. She's about 10 years old. I think she watches for me to say, I'm happy to report that your husband has not been feeding the cat. So this little girl is going to get a little painting for her room. She told me she likes blue, purple, and pink. So I'm just going to do a little blowout. She has no idea that I'm an artist or do any of that kind of stuff. So tomorrow, or the next day, it'll have to dry. I'm going to put this in my car, and when I pull up after work, if she comes out to report to me, I'm going to give her this painting. I'm actually pretty excited about it because she's the cutest little girl ever. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this painting right now. It'll be a quick little video. Thanks for listening to my story. And I'm very thankful that Greg has not fed the brown cat yet. I'm just waiting for it. But I did warn him that I have the neighborhood kids watching. So hopefully that's enough deterrent for him not to do it. Okay, so I'm going to do some ultramarine. And I'm just going to do a little, I don't know what design. I'm just going to blow it out and see what it comes out as. And we're going to do some magenta because she likes pink as well. There we go. And I'm going to put some gold in just to make it a little fancier. And I think I'm just going to go opposite to the lines I just did. Alright. Then I'm going to put some of my brilliant blue, and this has got a little bit of silicone in it. It has about 2 drops for this whole bottle, so there's not very much, but it'll help do a little bit of cell action for this painting. And the purple. Definitely need the purple in there for her. Oop, little dry piece, sorry, pick that out. I think I see another one I just dropped in there too. Just keeping it real, this happens every time you paint. Okay. Oh, I see another one I dropped. Alright. Hopefully that's all of it. It's not all of it. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I can't leave that in there. That's horrible. Okay. Now I think we're good. Okay. Now I think I'm going to put one more blue in, and this one is a pour paint. Just comes straight out of the bottle. I haven't mixed it with anything. These are a little pricey. I think you can get a 4 or 5 pack. Actually, one of my videos has a test run of all the colors that come in the pack. It was $24.99. So after this video, scroll down and find that video of my test run of pour paints. It was one of my earlier videos, so please feel free to check it out. Okay, I'm going to grab my little compressor. Instead of using the blow dryer, which blows too much, I think, I got this little air compressor that blows perfect amount of air. Let's put a little bit of white down to flood this canvas a little bit. Okay. Now I'm just blowing some of the white and the other colors up top, of course. Just going to leave this sit for a minute before I actually blow it through. I can see the cell action around the edges, which is awesome. Okay, let's give this a whirl. Wonder how long before I'm going to wear some of this paint. Splattering off here pretty good. And I think as soon as my granddaughter sees this, she's going to want one too. Okay, let's let that sit for a minute. Got lots of little splatters here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or get rid of them. We'll see. I'm going to torch it. My torch is almost empty. I'm going to have to fill it back up. It's okay. It's enough to do this painting. Just have to get a little closer. Get the bubbles out. Get the cell action happening. Huh, my flame is still going. I can barely hear it, but it is still going. Okay. I actually don't mind the splashes at all that are happening here. I'm just going to pull them out a little bit. Actually looks kind of cool. Now, what little girl would not want that hanging in her bedroom? It's just gorgeous. There we go. There's a quick little painting. I'll let that dry for a day or two, and hopefully I'll be able to give it to her and say, thank you so much for making sure my husband behaves. All right, thanks for joining me, everyone. Please hit subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. And for everybody that keeps coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me.